Hi and welcome back to another card making video. Today I'm playing with hot foiling and this is the October hot foil kit of the month by Spellbinders. It comes with a lovely flower composition perfect for Christmas as well as dies that cut out sentiments and the outline of them. So for today I'm going to play with this and put together a Christmas card, and let's start by foiling the big flower composition. I'm using white cardstock with gold foil, and at the same time I'm going to foil all three of the sentiments included so that I have a bunch for other cards as well. I always like to run this sandwich a couple of times through my die cutting machine, and I always like to also put everything together with masking tape so nothing moves on me while I transfer the plates and everything. So I'm going to peel off that masking tape and you will see that I'm going to get perfect results. And now of course I'm going to use the matching ties that are included in the kit to cut out the bunch of flowers as well as the three sentiments. And I'm going to add color on my foiled bunch of flowers. For that I'm using my TriBlends. These are 3 different colors in one barrel, and these markers are by Spectrum Noir. I find them really convenient since I'm not big on coloring with alcohol markers. I always like to do things really quickly, and even though I do have 3 different shades of colors in this marker, I'm only going to use 2 of them just because I like to quickly color things. If you are not big on coloring, you can definitely do foiling on colored cardstock and use it as it is after die cutting it. You don't really need to color anything. That beautiful foil gives such a lovely touch and elegance that you don't really need to add anything else. So here I have a red panel that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I'm just inking up the edges from one side so that I kind of go from oversaturated to the actual color of the cardstock, one corner towards the other in the diagonal. Now I'm also adding some white splatters that is going to give the effect of snow, and I'm going to stick on top a little white panel that I have cut out on a diagonal. I do have a little bit of excess paper here. I'm just going to use my scissors for that. And then I'm going to add some foam tape at the back of my flower composition and stick it on top of my panel. It is a really simple card design to recreate, but it looks really stunning, and all you need to do is to add a sentiment. Now I do have 3 of them. I'm just going to go with the one that says Merry Christmas, which I did stick on top of my panel again by using foam tape at the back. I did finish off my card by adding a few golden gems. And here are some close-up photos on the card that I made for today. Just like always, links to everything I use can be found down below in the description area. I hope that you had fun, that you got inspired. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you all next time.